AI agents that work while you sleep? Meet Flowith Agent Neo, the viral AI tool that's blowing people's minds. Infinite cloud agents. 1,000+ step workflows. A 10 million token memory. It watches videos, reads papers, builds websites, and finishes tasks that would take you days, all from a single prompt. Agent Neo isn't just another assistant. It's a fully autonomous agent framework running in the cloud, 24/7. You give it a task. It thinks, breaks it down into steps, runs those steps in sequence or parallel, and completes the entire project, start to finish. No code. No babysitting. Let's talk about what it's doing in the wild. One prompt. Summarize the 23-minute OpenAI Codex launch video. Neo watched it on YouTube and created a full blog post. Another. Turn Google's AlphaEvolve paper into an interactive webpage. It pulled content, designed layout, and shipped a working site. One more. Make a one-sentence webpage version of Ghibli's song Fighting the Tiger. Yes, it did that. You investigated a Canadian political movement, generated a 3D music-driven draggable webpage, designed a movie landing page, fully stylized and live. All of this from a single sentence. Behind the scenes, Neo uses infinite agents that can call tools, browse, code, design, generate media, and even analyze long-form content, up to 10 million tokens. Each subagent communicates, passes messages, and completes steps independently, allowing it to execute complex tasks autonomously, without loops or crashes. It's like having a full AI startup team working around the clock, with a 10x memory boost. You can try it right now at flowith.io. No setup. No API keys. Just describe what you want, and let Neo run. Whether it's research, coding, writing, or web design, this AI doesn't sleep. Agent Neo isn't the future. It's here. If you are ready to see what infinite autonomous agents can do, like, share, and subscribe for more insane AI tools like this one. And drop a comment below. What would you make Neo build for you?